Morning, Rose. First, my recommendations on radios. First of all, I wouldn't call this a recommendation because I'm not real knowledgeable on radios. But I'll show you what we did, and because we wanted, since we've got family all up and down the East Coast, shit hits the fan. We wanted something that like a ham radio that might be possible to keep in touch with everyone. And this is what we found here. Now, whether these things, I'm pretty sure these won't work if you've got them set out and an EMP hits. But what we do is we keep them in a Faraday cage. But let me give you a little more. Here's the information right here. You can find it. These little things are great. They can be used as walkie-talkies, the shortwave radios, and they're supposed to have unlimited distance as long as they're repeater stations. That's these antennas that can cast out the broadcast, and whether they're going to survive an EMP or not, honestly, I don't know. We bought quite a few of these, over 12 of them, and I built little Faraday cages for each one, and we passed them out to all our families, all our kids, and other people we want to keep in touch with. They do come with a booklet, and we took that booklet and we wrote down the channel that we're going to be on, so we're not searching for each other. There's an emergency, everybody knows to pull these out of the Faraday cage, switch to that channel, and you know, as long as these last, you can pick up other people that are on here, and hopefully we'll be able to get in contact with each other as well. I do have a link to these on my website, the Accidental Prepper. Under my purchases, I go in there and click the link, check them out. But like I said, I'm not real proficient on shortwave radios. I've been studying a little bit of it online myself. But these are what I found I like best. What I'm going to brag about is the charge. This thing will run, I would guess, almost a year on a charge. That's if you're not using it. Because right now it's down to, not sure if you can see it, but it's down to 3 marks right there. And I haven't charged, and it's usually 4. And I haven't charged this thing in 6 months. It's been kept off in the Faraday cage. So, like I said, study it for yourself. Just don't run out and buy it just because I have one. Study it for yourself. You may find something better, and if you do, let me know. I hope that answers your question. Have a great day.